Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry with its electric vehicles, offering cutting-edge technology and performance. But beyond the impressive acceleration and sleek designs, each Tesla model comes packed with hidden features that make driving even more exciting. From self-parking capabilities to advanced security systems, these features are designed to enhance the driving experience. In this guide, we'll uncover the best-kept secrets of each Tesla model, showing you why they're not just cars, but technological marvels. 1. Tesla Model S. Hidden features that will surprise you. The Tesla Model S is more than just a luxury sedan. It's a powerhouse of innovation. While most people are aware of its sleek design and insane acceleration, it's packed with hidden features that make it a truly remarkable car. One of the most loved features is dog mode, a must for pet owners. When you leave your furry friend inside the car, dog mode keeps the cabin temperature at a safe level and displays a message on the screen letting passers-by know that your pet is safe and comfortable. Another brilliant feature is Sentry mode, which acts as a 24/7 security system for the car. It uses the car's cameras to monitor its surroundings and records any suspicious activity. In addition, Insane mode offers an exhilarating driving experience with the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, providing a thrill that most sedans can't compete with. Add to this the ability for the car to auto-park itself, and you've got a car that is as practical as it is exciting. 2. Tesla Model 3. Hidden features you'll love. The Tesla Model 3 is one of the best-selling electric vehicles in the world, and it's not hard to see why. But hidden within this electric sedan are several features that make the driving experience even better. One standout feature is Sentry mode, which turns the Model 3 into a security guard. With Sentry mode, your car's cameras continuously monitor its surroundings for any potential threats or unusual activities. Another cool feature is the karaoke mode, which allows drivers and passengers to sing along to their favorite songs with lyrics displayed on the screen. It's perfect for long road trips. Model 3 also comes with Autopilot, which assists with steering, braking, and acceleration to make highway driving less stressful. The hidden door handles are another quirky feature. They pop out automatically when you touch them, adding an extra layer of futuristic appeal to the car's design. Model 3 even lets you adjust the ambient lighting, setting the mood for any occasion. 3. Tesla Model X. Hidden features that stand out. The Tesla Model X is a family-friendly SUV with incredible performance, and its hidden features make it one of the most innovative vehicles on the road. The most iconic feature of the Model X is its falcon wing doors, which open upwards, offering easy access to the rear seats, even in tight spaces. But what many people don't realize is that the Model X also has a bioweapon defense mode, which filters out harmful pollutants and allergens from the air, ensuring that you and your passengers breathe clean, fresh air, no matter where you go. Another hidden gem is the auto park system, which allows the Model X to parallel park itself or even park in tight spaces without any help from the driver. For those with young kids, the child lock feature is a lifesaver, preventing little hands from opening the doors while the car is in motion. Add to that the summon feature, which allows you to move the car in and out of parking spaces remotely using your smartphone. 4. Tesla Model Y. Hidden features. You can't miss the Tesla Model Y. Is a versatile, compact SUV that offers a blend of performance, style, and practicality. But it also hides a few features that elevate the driving experience. One of the coolest features is blind spot monitoring, which uses cameras to alert you to any vehicles in your blind spot, making lane changes safer and more confident. Model Y also comes with an automatic frunk. The front trunk opens and closes at the touch of a button, which is incredibly convenient when you have your hands full. Another feature that many people may not be aware of is the dog mode. Like the Model S, the Model Y also lets you keep your pets cool while you're away, and it displays a message on the screen to reassure anyone nearby that your pet is comfortable. The entertainment mode is another hidden gem. While the car is parked and charging, you can watch movies and videos, turning your Tesla into a mini entertainment hub. Add in the Autopilot system for enhanced safety, and you've got an SUV that's just as futuristic as it is practical. 5. Tesla Cybertruck. Hidden features. You'll be surprised by the Tesla Cybertruck is a bold departure from traditional pickup trucks. But it's not just its rugged, angular design that sets it apart. Hidden beneath the surface are some amazing features that make this electric truck even more impressive. One of the most interesting features is Vault Mode, which locks the bed of the Cybertruck, keeping your gear and equipment safe from theft. The adaptive air suspension system in the Cybertruck allows the driver to adjust the ride height, making it easier to tackle various terrains. Whether you're going off-road or cruising on highways, you can modify the ride height to suit your needs. Cybertruck's durable exoskeleton is another hidden feature. Constructed from ultra-hard stainless steel, it offers unparalleled protection against dents, scratches, and damage. And for those of you who need a powerful vehicle to do some serious towing, the Cybertruck offers a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, ensuring that you can handle even the toughest jobs. Add the laser lights for night driving, and this electric truck is ready for anything. 6. Tesla Semi. Hidden features that will change the trucking industry. The Tesla Semi is a revolutionary truck that's designed to change the way freight is transported. While it's already known for its incredible range and performance, there are several hidden features that make it a game-changer for long-haul trucking. One of the most important features is the Autopilot system, which helps drivers on the highway by providing steering, braking, and acceleration assistance, reducing fatigue during long drives. The enhanced visibility feature is also a standout, as the Semi offers panoramic windows and cameras that provide better visibility around the vehicle, making driving easier and safer. Another feature that makes the Tesla Semi unique is its comfortable driver's cabin, which comes with an adjustable seat and plenty of storage space, ensuring drivers can stay relaxed and organized during long trips. The Megacharger network is another hidden feature. The Semi can charge up to 70% of its battery in just 30 minutes, allowing drivers to get back on the road quickly and efficiently. And with regenerative braking, the Semi can recover energy while slowing down, improving both performance and range. Conclusion: Tesla's vehicles are packed with hidden features that offer convenience, safety, and a futuristic driving experience. From the Auto Park in the Model S to the Vault Mode in the Cybertruck, these cars and trucks aren't just about performance. They're about making life easier for drivers. Each Tesla model comes with its own unique set of hidden gems, ensuring that no matter which Tesla you drive, you're always in for an exciting ride. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.